Here's how to add a drop shadow effect to your text in Canva. So first you want to add text onto your project. So you can just go to the text button here and then type in a text that you would like to add to your project. Then you want to select that text that you just added and then go to effects at the top right and then click on where it says effects. And what you want to select is the shadow option like so. And here you can see it's added a drop shadow to our text. However, the color isn't exactly what we want. We want a darker, more blurry shadow. So what we can do is go down to where the color option is and change it from white to a black color like so. And then we're going to actually want to adjust the blur so that way the shadow isn't so sharp. So if we go down to where it says blur and increase the blur, we can see now there's more of a smooth shadow to the text. And we can also change the direction. So right now it's set to -45 degrees. If we go ahead and just adjust that to about, let's say 0, that's going to make it so that the shadow appears directly below the text. We can also adjust the offset and the transparency. So if we set the offset to be increased, we can see now that the shadow is further down from where the text is. We can also adjust the transparency, so we can make the shadow more stronger, or we can decrease the amount of shadow that there is by decreasing the transparency. If you want just a simple shadow, you can actually use the lift effect as well. And that's just going to create a basic shadow that you can increase or decrease the intensity. So if you don't want to adjust too many settings, you can just use the lift option and that will create a shadow around your text like so. And it's pretty easy and quick to do. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.